How to fix this field is required error on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix this field is required error popping up on Instagram. Well, basically this happens on certain cases, so here is a quick tutorial on how you can fix it. Now first things first, you want to close your Instagram application and you want to restart it back again. Now if you want to ensure that it doesn't happen again, you can simply uninstall the application and reinstall it, log in back to your account and go through the similar process where you got the error, and this might not happen. However, in case it happens again and it says error, this field is required, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on that OK button and it'll prompt you through few steps. You want to go through those steps, whether it may be verifying your account, confirming your identity and such. You want to do so and you want to go ahead and fix it. So this is the only way you can get past through the this field is required error on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.